Is it really possible to turn $20 into $2,500 with binary options? In this video, I'll break down the best binary options strategy for 2026. Using Luma Exchange, the platform I use for smart, controlled growth, binary options remain powerful because they offer fixed risk, fixed reward, and fast execution. When combined with the right strategy and platform, they allow small accounts to grow efficiently. Luma Exchange is built for binary and copy trading, offering fast trade execution, clear outcomes, and tools that help beginners avoid common mistakes while giving pros room to scale. This strategy focuses on small starting capital, high probability setups, strict risk management, and consistent compounding. Instead of chasing wins, the goal is steady growth using discipline on Luma Exchange. Start with $20 or $50 on Luma Exchange. Trade major assets with strong liquidity. Use short-term binary trades aligned with market trends. Risk only. 3 to 5% per trade. Stop trading after 2 to 3 wins or losses per session. Reinvest profits gradually to compound results. This approach protects capital while scaling profits. To accelerate growth, I combine manual binary trades with copy trading on Luma Exchange, following traders who specialize in binary strategies and risk control. Beginners find simple rules, low risk, and clear outcomes. Experienced traders enjoy efficient scaling and portfolio diversification. Luma Exchange supports both styles seamlessly. Never overtrade, never chase losses, always withdraw profits regularly. The strategy works because of discipline, not luck. If you want more strategies to grow small capital into serious profits, hit like, subscribe, and share. More Luma Exchange binary and copy trading guides coming soon.